Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the day's Notion remix. We'll start by understanding the core idea behind this powerful system, then move into setting up your Notion workspace. You'll learn how to create a dedicated space for daily tracking and seamlessly integrate your tasks and habits, ensuring everything is in one organized place for maximum productivity. Next, let's dive into the foundational structure. You'll create a main days database, which will be the heart of your system. We'll then add crucial properties such as a date field, a status indicator, and linked relations to other databases. Finally, you'll configure a separate tasks database, ensuring it connects smoothly with your daily entries for a cohesive workflow. Now that your databases are set up, it's time to make them work for you. We'll design custom views, allowing you to see your days and associated tasks with clarity. You'll learn to apply powerful filters and sorts to organize your daily information efficiently. Plus, we'll explore basic automation techniques to streamline your routine, saving you valuable time each day. To truly master the day's Notion remix, let's cover some advanced tips. You can implement recurring tasks for consistent habit building and use templates to quickly create new daily entries, making your workflow incredibly efficient. Remember to check the description for links to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This system will transform how you manage your days, bringing clarity and control to your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.